Okay, so you've been there, right? You try to upload a photo and boom, rejected. It's so frustrating. Well, in this explainer, we are going to pull back the curtain on image sizing and show you exactly how to get it perfect every single time.
So, does this sound familiar? You've got the absolute perfect photo for your blog or your social media, but the website just says, nope, your email bounces it back saying it's too big, or it takes like an eternity to load. You're definitely not alone, and the culprit is almost always the same thing. It's file size.
So let's dive in and meet the villain of our story, the oversized, unoptimized image file. I'm telling you, this is the hidden reason behind so many of our digital headaches, from super slow websites to those annoying rejected uploads. First up, slow loading websites. You know, huge images are one of the main reasons a site just feels sluggish and clunky. And this isn't just annoying for you or your visitors. Search engines like Google, they see those slow speeds as a bad user experience, and they can actually push your site further down in the search results. A faster site means happier people and, better SEO.
And then, oh my gosh, the dreaded bounced email. You're trying to send a really important photo, and it just gets rejected because it's over the size limit. It's a super common frustration, but thankfully, there's a really simple fix for it. And let's not forget social media. Every single platform has its own set of rules, right? If your image is too big, it might just get flat out rejected. Or even worse, the platform will just crush it with its own aggressive compression, leaving you with a blurry, kind of sad-looking version of your original photo. All right, enough doom and gloom about the problems. Let's talk about the solution, because there is an elegant and really powerful process that saves the day, and it's called image compression.
So what is image compression really? Well, think of it as a super smart process that uses clever algorithms to shrink an image's file size. That's the part measured in kilobytes, or KB, without totally wrecking how it looks. The whole goal is to find that perfect sweet spot between a small, fast-loading file and a crisp, clear image.
And the transformation is, well, it's pretty dramatic. You go from having these huge, slow, and often incompatible files to these tiny, fast-loading images that just work everywhere. It is a total game changer.
You see, optimizing your images isn't just some little technical thing. It has real-world benefits. Your website's going to load way faster, your posts will be totally ready for social media, your emails will actually send, and you'll save a ton of valuable storage space. It's a win-win-win.
Now, I know what you might be thinking. This sounds super technical and complicated. But honestly, it's not. You can get perfectly sized images in just 3 simple clicks. It is genuinely faster and easier than you think.
The whole process is incredibly simple. Okay, step 1, you just upload your image. Step 2, you type in the exact file size you need in kilobytes. And finally, step 3, you check out the preview to make sure it still looks awesome, and then you just hit download. That's it. It's that easy.
And you don't even have to worry about what kind of file it is. A good tool can handle all the big ones, whether it's a regular JPEG photo, a PNG graphic that has transparency, a funny animated GIF, or even that super efficient modern format, WebP.
Okay, but here's the million-dollar question, right? How do you know what size you should actually aim for? Well, that's the key, and we are about to take all of the guesswork out of the equation for you with this super handy guide. Think of this as your secret weapon, your cheat sheet. Posting on Facebook? Aim for under 100 KB. Got a big, beautiful banner for your website? You can go up to around 300 KB. This guide just gets rid of the guessing games and gives you the perfect target for any situation you can think of.
So you might be thinking, great, I'll just Google a tool. But hold on, because not all compression tools are created equal. Let's look at a few features that make a massive difference. The best tools are smart, they're fast, and most importantly, they're private.
So let's break that down. You want precise control, right? So you can hit an exact kilobyte target. And you definitely want a live preview so there are no nasty surprises. The processing should be instant, which happens when the compression is done right there in your browser, what they call client side, which means no waiting around for slow uploads. And finally, privacy should be number 1.
And look, this next part is huge. Privacy. It shouldn't be some vague promise. You need a clear policy, something that says any image you upload is automatically wiped from their server after a very short time, like 30 minutes. This is how you know your photos stay your photos.
Just 30 minutes. That's it. That's the entire window that your image even exists on their server. After that, it's gone for good.
It's such a simple but really powerful commitment to your privacy.
So there you have it. The power to create fast, flawless, and perfectly sized images is literally in your hands now. No more rejections, no more slow websites, and no more frustration. The only question left is, now that you've totally mastered image size, what are you going to create?